we are coming into Belle Fourche. Yeah, told you I was gonna get that thing. We got it on the GoPro. Finally killed that fly. Alright, Belle Fourche, South Dakota. That's where we're headed into. I think it's Belle Fourche. Maybe, maybe not. Come on, man, get turned off now. Good Lord, you don't have to stop in the middle of the road. Jeez Louise. Alright, I guess it's just over this little hill here, the little town of Belle Fourche. Belle Fourche. Might be Fourche. Shoe. We started that POV out with the fly fight. And the fly lost. Belle Fourche, population 5,617. Man, look at all the axles on them trucks. That is crazy. Is a truck stop right there. Huh. I might need to stop for just a minute, kick a tire. I think I do. Right here in Belle Fourche. And I'll ask them how you say the name of this place when I get in the store. Well, at least they got all that beer picked up that riding with Dave was behind that day when he come through here. Good Lord. I'm just gonna park right here beside this big old Western Star. Good Lord, look at the hood on that thing, how high it is. I think we'll be alright right here, maybe. Alright, so we did stop here at this truck stop in Belle Fourche, South Dakota. I did go in and I asked the locals, I said, how do you pronounce the name of this place? I said, is it Belle Fourche? Man, they laughed at me. I wished I'd have had the camera in there. They laughed at me. They're like, no, Fourche. It's pronounced Belle Fourche. I was like, holy crap, I was way off. Way off. What a lovely day behind the wheel. All aboard. Let's put some fire into these tires. How about it? Am I going out the right way here? So, if you look at the name of this town and you want to say Belle Fourche or Belle Fourche or Belle Fourche, it is not none of those pronunciations. It is Belle Fourche. How did they get Belle Fourche out of this? I don't know. But here's where we're at. We're at the Conoco right here at the crossroads, across from the Cenex, the O'Reilly, and the dollar store, Dollar General. This is where I got the correct pronunciation for Belle Fourche. Belle Fourche, not Belle Fourche, Belle Fourche. Belle Fourche. I just like throwing that "la" in there, you know, I don't know. Sounds more fancy. course, Fourche would have sounded more fancy too. Ah, we went over the curb. That wasn't the exit at all. Right there was the exit. I'm glad it wasn't a huge curb. Alright, we got 11 miles to Interstate 90 West. Belle Fourche River. Belle Fourche. And when he said Belle Fourche, the word actually popped into my head. The way it's spelled out, Fourche. I couldn't believe that I actually literally seen that word pop into my, what do you call that? Your imaginary eyes? Imaginary eyes. Anyway, I could see the word pop up when he said Belle Fourche. I was like, let's straighten our brains out here for just a minute. Oh, we're running. Look at that. That is neat. Time for that grainer. Dakota Pond. Well, we run a yellow light, not a red light, so of course some would disagree. Some would say that that was a red light I just run. It absolutely wasn't. Oh, look at that nice yellow Mustang over there to the left. Man, that is nice. Oh yeah, we got a good POV view of that. Belle Fourche. I tell you what, I was sitting, maybe I was sitting at a red light, and there was a truck coming down the 4 lanes. Might have been sitting at the truck stop. I'm not real sure. I don't think I was sitting and waiting for travel. I don't think. I was off to the side for whatever reason. I think it was like a truck stop. But this truck, now, from, I want to say at least 300 foot, if not 400, maybe 500 feet from the red light, I hear him start blowing his horn, you know, like a train going through the train crossings. He starts blowing his horn, and I look at the red light, you know, because he's coming that way. I look at the red light, and the side that I'm sitting on, which is, you know, opposite crossing as him, has already turned green. Now, mind you, he's still 500 feet, maybe 300 by now. By the time I looked at the red light, he might be 300 foot from the crossing. And he's, you know, he's on his horn, blowing his horn, never slowed down. I'm like, dude, you're not a train. You don't just blow your horn because you're coming up on a crossing to warn everybody that you're coming through. If you got enough time to grab that horn and lay down on it, then you got enough time to put your feet on the brakes and at least make an effort to stop. Man, he just barreled right through there. I was like, dang, that's messed up. But he did. I guess it happens. I don't know how long we're going to be on the interstate. I think it might just be a crossover. Maybe, maybe not, I don't know. I hadn't looked that far ahead. Mind's Eye, there you go. That's it. That's the ticket, Mind's Eye. Hey, we got Hardee's way out here. That's pretty weird. I didn't think Hardee's come this far out. There's one of them. I swear, man. This has to be the area where that picture was taken at. For the Facebook group. Whoever posted it, I don't remember, but anyway, this is the tour through Belle Fourche, the proper pronunciation according to the locals. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, blah 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 blah. Damn.